urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mentor and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paynesville, Perry, Madison, Grand River, Fairport Harbor, North Perry, and North Madison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lake Ohio.
The forecast for